News from ES Components. Our partner, VPT Components, is one of the largest providers of JANS-certified semiconductors for military and space applications. Providing semiconductors for critical applications in the harshest of environments. VPT Components is a MIL PRF 19500 JANS certified semiconductor manufacturer with diodes, transistors, rad-hard MOSFETs, bare die, high-rel packages, and custom packaging. With an expanded product offering of small signal and power switching transistors, switching diodes, and Schottky products, SCRs, MOSFETs, Zeners, rectifiers, and qualified bare die. VPT Components continues to add new and sophisticated automatic test and assembly capabilities, environmental, mechanical, and general screening services. As a full-service facility for independent, unbiased testing and custom assembly of electronic components, a wide range of assembly needs that include wire bond, hermetic sealing, non-hermetic, and component-attached assembly services. Device test capabilities that include discrete, linear, digital, and passive types. ES Components and our partner, VPT Components, have you covered. Don't wait another second. Contact ES Components today.